with $328 a day from affiliate marketing on autopilot. What's it going on, my friends? Today I will show you how much money I can earn from home, and I will review some secret niche that help you earn $1,000 a month. Now I will log into my affiliate account to show my proof earning. As you can see from screen, today I have earned $328 with the EBC about $1 per click. And now I will show you how much money I can earn in a week. From 25 of August to the first day of September. As you can see from the screen, with $2,000 a week from home, and with the EBCs about nearly $0.9 per click. And go to mindsets.win to learn lots of ways to make money online from all these first in over the world. Go to the part 2 of this video. I will review for sport niche that help you earn lots of money from home with affiliate marketing. The number one is efficiency, with 5,000 average monthly searches, and with the cost per click CPC about $1.5 a click, you can earn up to $7,500 a month. And it is the same formula to calculate profits for the following niches. And don't forget to go to mindsets.win to increase your speed earning to 10 times. Thank you and goodbye.